Bon na Nongialam bat kidakot Barim kila Kyrpad ban syak ban rung Biang syaka Seng Henry ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee kam don mon ban pediang Biang iki. Nongialam ka Seng Congress iba aroni vilingdo ila ong hendin ka sengi. Babon na kidakot Barim ka Seng ki kuwa ban Wanphai Biang syaka Seng Henry ka Seng kam patla ban pediang yanu namar kidon katukat ne ki kendon bahap ban bot. Dangshan usketri ka AICC ubadai khmi eka jela Meghalaya Manish Chatrat ula kam badon katukat ni Nongialam Barim ka Seng ha ka jela ki balai kren halor batu baka jingkwa ban Wanphai Biang syaka Seng. Iba lingdo ilo ong ba manu ki bakwa ban penyeso Biang bat ka Seng Congress ki dei ban sedang Biang kum ki dekot ki batamai jong ka Seng.
A lot of people want to come back to the Congress. But then we simply cannot accept anyone and everyone. We have to look at all angles because we have certain procedures, certain procedures where if somebody wants to join the Congress, then if they have resigned, then we'll have first, become primary members first. Then after they join as primary members, then automatically they become congressmen. So that is the procedure. Okay, so but then people have realized now that this is a national party, the oldest national party in the country, almost 140 years old. So yes, in politics, you go up and down, and then a party that has lasted so long cannot simply, vanish. So
Ka Seng United Democratic